Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the importance of soap in the bathroom. Although soap is something that we all use every day, its significance is often overlooked. So, let's dive into the world of soap and its importance in maintaining hygiene and cleanliness. The science behind soap. Before we talk about the importance of soap, let's first understand what it is and how it works. Soap is a chemical compound that consists of two main ingredients, fat and an alkali. When mixed with water, soap molecules form a structure that traps dirt and oil, allowing them to be washed away easily. Soap not only cleanses our skin but also helps to eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses. Maintaining personal hygiene. We all know that personal hygiene is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Regular hand washing with soap is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs and infections. Not only does it reduce the risk of getting sick, but it also helps to keep the environment clean and healthy. Prevention of skin diseases. Apart from keeping us clean, soap also helps to prevent various skin diseases. The buildup of bacteria, sweat, and dead skin cells can lead to skin infections, acne, and other skin-related problems. Using soap regularly can help to eliminate these germs and keep our skin healthy and glowing. Elimination of odor. Our body naturally produces sweat, which can lead to body odor. However, soap can help to eliminate this odor by removing the bacteria that cause it. Regular use of soap can help to keep our body odor under control, leaving us smelling fresh and clean. Protection against illnesses. In addition to personal hygiene, soap is also essential for maintaining environmental hygiene. Regularly cleaning the bathroom with soap can help to prevent the spread of infections and illnesses. Bathrooms are breeding grounds for bacteria and germs, making it crucial to keep them clean and hygienic. In conclusion, the importance of soap in the bathroom cannot be overstated. Soap helps to maintain personal hygiene, prevent skin diseases, eliminate odor, and protect us against illnesses. It is essential to use soap regularly and maintain good hygiene practices to stay healthy and clean. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.